Hello guys, I will show you how to reset service reminder of Mazda CX-30 2024 model. Ignition on. You can see the warning sign, the spanner sign due for service. How to clear this one? First is select this big selector, press the home. You can see and then select this one to left side. See, entertainment, go to the information, just select this left side, then press center, and then you see the vehicle status monitor, just press center, then you see the vehicle service interval approaching. Go to the next service, this one, settings, and then see, do you want to reset the remaining distance until next oil change? Reset, just press this one. Okay, has been reset. You see in the dashboard there's no spanner. Clear, it's clear. Thank you guys, bye bye.